Hackers, scammers, thieves. Do you worry about those people? You should. They are after your data, your money and your information. Do you do everything on the same PC? Social media, shopping, browsing, banking. The only way to stay 100% safe while browsing is to keep all your activities on separate machines. What if you could keep all those separate machines on one machine? Isolated machines altogether, safe from each other. You can. Virtualization can keep your activities isolated and safe from each other. Never worry that your social media can impact your online shopping or banking. Follow our simple guide to find out how to do this. Protect yourself, stay safe, and enjoy the freedom of the internet. Check the videos to see how. Subscribe to keep learning.